welcome to day 2 of the Iceland vlogs. The first stop of my southern Iceland tour is this incredible waterfall behind me. The weather is, it's raining so much, I'm absolutely freezing cold as always. This is the first stop of I think 4 or 5 different things today. We're going to a glacier, going to another waterfall, going to a beach as well, so a full day in Iceland for day 3, so I hope you enjoy the day 3 vlog.
After visiting the waterfall, we headed to the Solheimjkull Glacier. This glacier is approximately 8 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide, and is located 158 kilometers from Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. Sadly, like all the glaciers in Iceland bar one, Solheimjkull is shrinking rapidly. A glacier lagoon at its base reveals how quickly it is receding, the length of an Olympic swimming pool every year. It seems like this change is already irreversible and is a consequence of climate change, and it may be gone within decades.
How incredible is this glacier behind me? Been retreating so much for the last 10 to 12 years, which is really sad to see. I studied glaciers a lot at school, and for some reason I found them really fascinating. And of course I've ice climbed the fan shows of Glacier, so this is actually the second glacier that I've ever seen. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can see behind me.
Iceland is a country full of volcanic activity, and this is the reason behind the black sand. The black sediment on Reykjavik beach has been formed by boiling hot lava from the currently dormant volcano floating across the beach, then cooling and solidifying when hitting the cold water. After this cold hit, the solid lava starts to break apart and forms small volcanic rock, which then gradually weathers down further to create smaller pebbles, thus black sand.
This is the final stop of the Southern Iceland tour, and look at this beautiful waterfall behind me. I'm absolutely freezing, so I'm going to head back to the bus pretty soon, but I just thought I'd show you all the final waterfall, how beautiful it is.